Okay. So I press to image scan, and here I have option to change the grid size. Right now you see that it shows the small grid with 8 rows. I press to the grid size and now it's 16. 16 rows altogether.
Yes. 16, eh?
Yes.
Rows. Ah.
Here, down there.
تعالى كده شوية فهمي. تعالى كده.
So now we can start scanning. You see that the device shows to me that I need to start from the row number 1, and it's marked on the grid also as number 1. Yes, absolutely.
هنا فكوا من حكايه اكس واي راح ارقم لك رقمها لك يعني تخلص هنا 8 تخلص 8 بعدين.
So I put it to the 1, and what is important that I need to start outside from the field. So this is the field, and I start outside because device is not able to see which is behind him. I need to start outside.
Must be center here.
Yes. You see this?
عندك الخطوتين دول بيمشوا مع في الخطوط دي.
اوكي.
تعالى هنا مش
تعالى هنا.
So I locate it, and after that press the record button and start to move towards the line. As soon as I'm done, device double beep and ask me that I need to continue with line number 2.
Okay. شوف عيدن. هذا لاين.
You have to always press the button to start.
Yes, yes.
Press.
It's the same button from two sides.
Press here.
Yes,
It's the same.
it's the same from one side and from another side.
It close from here. In the end, you must be press close or not?
No.
No.
it's automatically count the distance by calculating the rotation of the wheels and make double beep. We finished with horizontal scanning, and now it shows that I need to go to the number 9, which is vertical one. The same principle.
ده بدي الصورة اللي تحت. بدي الصورة اللي تحت.
بعد كده ايه؟
بدي الصورة اللي تحت.
مش سامع. طب اجي بقى.
بدي الصورة اللي تحت.
تحليل منت والتابلت بس لو هعرف يعني الميزة اللي فيه ايه مثلا ان هو لا هو ممكن فلاشة ممكن في توصيل كتير لو تيجي توصل
الداتا اللي هي
ده نقول يعني
عرضها اهو. ده كده كله يفوت
ده كده الوضع كله ده كده شوف بس كده هنبدأ نعرض ونشوف جمال ولا لا
Okay, so now the device process the scan, and it's represent the piece of the concrete in 3 different view. At the center you see top view.
Okay.
From the bottom of the screen you see side view from this direction, and
cross section.
yes, cross section. And at the right side you see the cross section from this direction.
Okay.
So let's try to understand what we see.
Okay.
To understand what we see, it's very useful to use.
I want to ask
Yes.
how I show this draw here.
Okay. In fact, you see 300, 600, 900. It's the same numbers like here. Or alternatively, if I'm interested in some specific point, you see this is right now in the horizontal direction. This was moving, and when I move in, you see that I also move the cursor. So, for example, if I'm interested in this node, this one, I put the cursor here,
Okay.
and here I see that for x is 580,
580 and X. Here. Y cam.
Yes.
Why?
And for Y 680.
680 it's somewhere 650 it's somewhere here.
لا لا ده واي مش الاكس. دي الواي 680
Yeah.
اوكي والاكس 580 صح؟
X 580 680.
يعني هنا
Exactly.
exactly. اوكي.
And what else? In fact, what I can see from the top view, I can slice it. So for example, I can see the top part, I can see the middle part, and to do this, I change the cursor from horizontal navigation.
Before I change,
Yes. To the
how
vertical.
I know
Uh-huh.
the difference between the bars and the wire?
And where? In fact, that's why you need to be engineer to understand this difference. So, what I will
I
explain.
know
it.
the
Yes.
difference.
Yes.
But I ask you about it here.
So,
Okay.
I will answer to this. I change it to depths just to see slicing on the different depths.
Okay.
And right now, you see that I look into the top part. On the top part, definitely it's supposed to be rebar. Pretension cable is supposed to be a little bit deeper. So we'll, yeah.
خليك معانا شوية هنا. سوري.
ايوه
So
محمد جيب ميه
what I'm doing,
ووتر من فوق.
I'm going a little bit deeper.
Okay. Deeper.
Yes. Now you see that when I come into this dot, I start to see some part, and take into consideration that it's located on the depth approximately 140 millimeter, and it's go in diagonal direction. As engineer, I am thinking that it looks pretty the same like pretension cable. So you're not able to say that it's rebar or it's cable, but as engineer, you're supposed to be able to predict that under normal layer of rebar, something which is going in diagonal direction, maybe it's cable.
Okay. It's
But
very good.
by the way, if someone during pouring the concrete forget the piece of the wood inside of the slab,
Forget one.
piece of the wood, you will not be able to say no, it's wood or no, this is a steel. It's just your somehow engineering understanding what is supposed to be inside. It's supposed not to be wood inside. It's supposed to be pretension cable. And now, if you want to mark it, yeah.
We show one.
Yes.
This.
Yes, it's one wire.
ننزل تحت تاني ونشوف فيها
And it goes from this point
Yes.
to the corner.
Okay. We must be. Must we have one wire here?
Maybe.
احنا جبنا ده يا احمد كده، خليك معايا. جبنا ده كده. اهو. تمام؟ فاضل لنا ده بقى.
لا احنا مش حاسين مش قاريين هنا
على فوق على كام؟
14
14
140 مللي 14 سم.
لا اللي ظهر على بعد 14. تمام؟ هو المفروض هو بيجيب سمكة قد ايه اصلا؟
ايه حط لك اياها.
لا
هو
الجهاز بيجيب
توتال 30 سم
30.
30 سم.
طيب ماشي. بأي حال من الأحوال التاني لو موجود أو بالفعل
هيبين.
هو موجود مش
هيبين.
هيجي عن 30. مش هيزيد عن 30.
ايوه
لا قديش السلاب كلها عندك كلها 30 بتخطى 30
لا أنا
سلاب
أقصد إن ده كده ما ظهرش.
حيبين.
بيبين بطريقة ثانية يعني؟
إيه. حتشوفها انت من ادج تاني حتبين عليك.
So, let me return back. So here we find one cable,
Okay.
and after that, let's us try to go deeper. I'm going deeper,
Okay.
and see very weak signal, which is
very
going,
weak. Okay.
which is going approximately from this point to this point,
Okay.
like that. Maybe it's a post tension cable, but it's also some chance that device just see the part of the conduit. Okay.
We have 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
You shoot 2. Balance 1.
Balance one.
ادي كده واحد وادي كده واحد لما بيطلع فوق بيزيرو ماشي يجو اب يشوف
اوكي بص هندسه كده. بص كده
اللي هو بيغمق وعليه
لا ماشي على السماكه.
يعني هو سمك كام
التاني
دلوقتي؟
دوت واخده على
باشمهندس هاي
22
السمكة
سم.
215 مللي
21 ونص تمام
بالظبط.
لو طلع لفوق شويه هيجيب التاني بص كده هندسه
يعني السمكه بتزيد معاه او تقل معاه
كده مثلا هو على 18
تمام بص كده بق اللي عندنا واحد والتاني هم جاب دول باقي لنا ده اللي هو عند النقطه اللي ماشي كده ده اللي باقي.
بس انت شوي بعيد يعني انت لازم احنا لازم نزيح نعمل ديتكشن
مع الورق.
هيدا برا الورق شوي.
لا مش ورق اهو ماشي كده اهو. جيب لي متر بص جاي منين؟
اوكي
وسع وسع وسع
اوكي
كل ده كده
طب خلينا شهور عند شافه كده
اللي شافه هو هندسه ده كده جابه. بص كده انت على الورقه من تحت ده كده جابه ماشي وده كده جابه ده برضو جابه.
So they are claiming that there is one more.
باقي لنا واحد.
اللي هو ده.
One is still missing. Yes.
Yes. If you see there by the spray, there is the one is going straight.
This
Is it showing?
this missing
This missing.
كده كده this direction.
So these two is showing.
تحديد الورقه وانت
If you wish, we can reply the test here again. We have here only 3 wires. If you have no discipline.
Okay, so we have one in this direction.
Yes.
Yes.
Which you believe correspond to this line, yeah?
Yes.
okay it's good.
And we have another one correspond to that
It's good.
line.
Okay. There is still
Okay,
this one
and
horizontal.
when is the third one?
Just
By this point, لا لا
move.
That's it. Yes.
Exactly. Here.
Go there.
So you're supposed to have two in parallel. Yes?
No in parallel. We have 2 perpendicular
Yes.
and 1 by this direction.
this direction.
This direction. And 1 here and 1
we have one here and one here it's good
This.
balance one
Yeah, we have to go up a little bit, Dennis. Maybe it will show. If we're gonna move because it's somewhere here.
Okay. It's not a cable, it looks like rebar. You see, it's already.
bar
Yeah, it's